This is a presentation about word relationships, presented by Charlotte Slattery, in accordance with Learning Standard 5A. Sort words into categories, such as colors and clothing, to gain a sense of the concepts the categories represent. Hi, class. Today I'm going to tell you a story about two children, one named Clark and one named Bridget. They were both twins and attended the same school in the same classroom. One day, their teacher asked a question to the class. Hi, class. I want to know 3 things about you. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite fruit? And what is your favorite animal? Now, before you raise your hands, I want you to take a moment to think about these things. Clark's mind lit up with exactly what he loved. He knew without a doubt he loved the color blue, he loved to eat bananas, and he loved the owl. Hoo, hoo! Bridget, on the other hand, her mind went everywhere. She wasn't sure if she liked green or yellow. She wasn't sure if she liked the lion or the owl, or apples or bananas. But then she quickly made up her mind. She sure did love yellow. She sure did love to eat apples. And the lion was her favorite because it said roar. Next, the teacher told the class, "Class, draw a story using these 3 favorite things." Clark got to work quick. He loved superheroes and owls, so his story was about Super Owl and the flying bananas. Super Owl loved bananas, and he needed them to charge his cape. But he had a problem. He was running out of bananas, so he flew through the banana tree past the angry monkeys, and he had success. When he got all the bananas he needed, he flew to his hideaway. Super Owl in his super banana hideaway. Next, it was Bridget's turn. She loved lions, and she loved to eat apples. So she drew a story about Lion. Hi, everyone. I drew a story about Lion under the yellow sun. Lion loved apples so much, but he didn't have any. So he dreamt of apples all day. Then finally he came up with an idea. He would climb the apple tree, get an apple, and eat it. And so he did. That was some yummy apple, Lion said. Next, their teacher gave them each a piece of paper with 3 separate categories on it. Now, class, I want you to draw 3 animals, 3 fruits, and 3 colors. And then you will show it to the rest of the class. Clark was ready. Hi, everyone. I made an owl, a dog, and a monkey for my 3 animals. I drew fruits, such as bananas, oranges, and watermelon, and 3 colors, blue, purple, and green. Next, it was Bridget's turn. My 3 animals are the monkey, the lion, and the cat. And my 3 favorite fruits, apples, cherries, and strawberries. I drew a turquoise heart. It's kind of like blue. I drew a purple heart and a yellow heart. The teacher told the class what a great job they did. Great work, class! Clark and Bridget were so excited for all they had learned today that they couldn't wait to go home and practice with each other. They learned that the lion and the owl are types of animals. They learned that the banana and the apple are types of fruit. They learned that blue and yellow were types of colors. This presentation was made using Microsoft PowerPoint and Screencast-O-Matic.